Welcome back, everybody, to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special with one more Sega Game Gear game. And this time around, it's going to be Wheel of Fortune. Let's see how it goes, shall we? I'm ready. Alright! We just won 55 grand on Jeopardy for the Game Gear. What wheel's going to have this for? Find out. First round category is phrase, and I get to start. Let's go. Give the wheel the first spin, and we get $350. I'm going to start things off with a T. Two T's, that is $700. Let's spin again. $650. Is there an H? There are two H's, and I have $2,000. I'd like to buy an E. Yeah, there are four E's. That'll help. I'll spin. $900 R. R's. $3,550. I'm going to go one more time. $750. D. Couple of D's. Well, that's $5,050 at the end of the first round. I think I'm good. The third degree. That is right. $5,050 I've won so far. We'll move on to our second round with a $2,500 space on the wheel. Things is the category. And Luke, you get a turn. You finally get a turn, I should say. Not a very good start. You got to lose a turn. But worst times for that to happen. Hang in there. Judy's turn. $700. An X? Excuse you? Why would you call an X? Dude. $200. N. Yeah, two N's. Spin it again. Or I have $400. I can buy Val if I want to, but I want to spin again. $700. D. We have a D. $900. S. Two S's, another $1,800, $2,900. I'll buy an A. How many A's we have up there? We have 1, 2, 3. 3 A's. I will spin. Mostly because I don't know it yet. $750. R. Yeah, there's an R. Okay, I'll know it, but I'm going to spin one more time. Still going. Only to stop on a bankrupt, so I spun one time too many. Alright, well, it's Luke's turn. Oh, just gotta hang in there, I guess. Well, he's got a chance to get a free spin if he can find a letter P. There are 2 of them. If I landed on $2,500, I would have called that, but oh well. Luke's gonna buy a vowel, an E. There are 2 of them. Okay, he's gonna solve it. What do we have? Apples and oranges. That's correct. So Luke won $1,250 that round. Judy's going to start her third round with a $5,000 face on the wheel. And the category of this round is event, and we have an apostrophe up there. So let's see what happens. It's anybody's game. $300. L. I believe so. 1 L. $300. Buying a vowel. Do we have a U? We do not. My turn. Come on, $5,000. Ah, again with the bankrupt. Doggone it. Let's move over to Luke. $900. He lands on a good one. Is there a V? There is no V, so it's a back to Judy, who has how much? $50. So it's time to spin. And she loses her $50, so it's my turn. Come on, big money. $5,000. That's big money. How about an S? We have one right there. We have one right there. And we have one right there. Let's buy a vowel. E. Okay. Buy another vowel. A. Two A's. Buy another vowel. I. Okay, can we buy... Oh, there's no more vowels. Okay, so we have to spin or solve. Okay, I have no choice but to spin because the only word I don't know is that second word. 700. R. Okay, I think I've got it. I'm not going to press it anymore. President's Birthday Special. $15,650 that round. Altogether for the game, $20,700. And we're going to the bonus round. The L, okay? Place the category, RSTOMG. There we go. Now I need 3 more consonants and 1 more vowel. Okay, a D, a K, W, A. Desk drawer, and I won a vacation. Okay. That is right. That was a great game. See you all for another one after the break.